Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save for investment properties with LendingTree easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current financial situation. Gather your income documents, including pay stubs and tax returns. Calculate your total monthly expenses to understand your spending habits. Determine how much money you can allocate each month towards savings for investment properties. Set clear savings goals for your investment properties. Decide how much you need for down payments and closing costs. Open a dedicated savings account specifically for your investment property savings. Consider automating your savings to ensure regular contributions. Explore ways to reduce your monthly expenses. Look for unnecessary subscriptions or memberships that you can cancel. Identify areas where you can cut back on discretionary spending. Increase your income by looking for side gigs or freelance opportunities. Allocate any extra income directly to your investment property savings account. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your progress. Update your savings goals regularly based on your financial situation. Research investment property markets that interest you. Keep an eye on potential properties that fit your budget. Consider working with a financial advisor to optimize your savings strategy. Stay disciplined and remain focused on your investment goals. Review your savings plan periodically to make adjustments as needed. Celebrate milestones in your savings journey to stay motivated. With proper planning and discipline, you will be on track to invest in properties effectively. LendingTree offers resources to help you find mortgage options once you're ready to purchase. Utilize their tools to explore various lending options that suit your needs. Stay informed about the real estate market trends. Building a substantial savings for investment properties takes time and dedication. Consistency is key to achieving your investment goals. By following these steps, you can create a solid foundation for your investment journey. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.